Hey guys, welcome back. Alright, another day of doing stuff. We're going to get this Camaro all sorted and finished out. It's almost ready. Got a little bit of wiring and stuff to do. Get it finally pieced together, and we're, next episode, going to reveal. So the customer's going to come pick it up, and hopefully he loves it, which I'm pretty confident he's going to. So let's get into it. Alright, there we go. Plugs are all made up, ready for that amp rack. So now that will plug straight in. I'm going to be able to just tuck this down and in and under the carpet and make him disappear, which would be lovely. Got more than enough length on it too, so that's awesome. Beautiful. Alright, that's my speakers, RCA and remote. Obviously my 0 gauge ground and power, all ready to go. So, that's that bit done. So, unfortunately, we did have some yellow Tech Flex on order for this amp rack to match the car, because obviously, yellow car, but it's not going to arrive in time. So, I hadn't finished wiring up the amp rack, because it's always a bit of an asshole to actually get the Tech Flex on if you've already stripped the wires and stuff. So, this is going to get done like it is, just some heat shrink on the end, start getting this finished and wired up, then I can drop it in the car and do a test turn on and make sure everything is working, then finish it up and start getting this thing pieced together. So let's get it wired. Alright, start getting this battery charger laid in. I wonder if I'm going to be able to find my holes. There's one. Alright, got that charger wired up. So we now have a battery voltage. Flicker on, make sure we're good. Power charging. Nice one. Alright, next little task we're going to do here is these little spots here and this spot here. These are going to be seen, so I'm going to carpet those, and so at least then it's going to match the rest of the carpet, and the factory carpet is the same grey colour, so with any luck that'll just blend it in and just make this little bit not stand out. So let's do it. Standard contact adhesive. I've already got some squares of carpet cut up and they've already been sprayed with the same contact adhesive, so I'll get this on here all the way up and around, right up onto the lip so that the seal will cover the top edge of that carpet. And then I can try and stick it on and see how we go. Alright, here it is, first one. That's one side, do the other. There's my plugs, all my LEDs are in and ready to go, and the floor is in for the last time. See, the trimming is all done. I'm just in the middle of piecing it all together to make sure everything's still fitting properly. Then I can finish the wiring. I've got some sub box wires to do, hook up all the LEDs and do some final fitment. Cool. Alright, so next I've got to get some rear cover panels in here. There's a bit of a gap we've got over here and obviously over the other side here too. So I'm going to make some filler panels that are going to come back and basically box this off straight over here, just so that it's nice and finished and it gives me a little bit more cavity space in here to sort out wiring and stuff. So get into it. Alright, basic idea of what I'm going to do. Go and start making stuff and see if we can make it work. Alright, so as you can see, I got this marked out, ready to go just to flush trim this first half of it. Then I can flush trim the top of it, see if it's going to fit in the car, and then if that's going to work, I can copy it to a second one and then make in the back plate. So let's do it. Cut two. I love template tape. Alright, one more. Alright, there it is. So, go and have a look in the car and see if it's going to work for me. Alright, so got one worked out. Needs to have babies, so let's get it on the router bench, make it happen. Alright, so there's 4 of those all flushed together. At least now, because I've flushed them all together at the same time, I know they're all identically the same, which is good, but one cool thing I've always found is your offcuts. It's funny when you're doing routering that your offcuts always tend to give you some random and cool shapes, but anyway, So now that I've got the 4 of these made up, I'm going to need to make some little sideways brackets to go off them, but I'm going to actually be able to mount it to the back of the box. So let's get that started. Alright, got my mounting blocks done, so get these attached to our little wings. Then I can make a back plate, cover it all up, make it look good. Alright, so went to try and test fit in the car, didn't quite fit. There's a plastic panel that sits around this bit coming into the car itself, and it's actually making it sit forward. So I've marked out where that panel sits. I'm going to cut around it and actually have this just butt up against it. So that should make it a little easier. Let's make it happen. Cool. Alrighty, so here we go. I've got my panels sitting into place. Got a little bit of cleaning up to do there. I've got to shove the amp rack forward just a couple of mil, and looking good. So as well, I'll wait for the seat to come back. Dashboard is back together. Head unit is in. So now got a little bit of amp rack stuff to do, and then pretty close. All right, that's another episode done. The Camaro is finished. So it's time to get the customer in, get him to pick the car up, and enjoy his bloody stereo. So thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel, get more content coming along. Still going to be building more stuff, and there's still more stuff coming. I've got a couple of more normal installs coming your way, so keep tuned and keep keen. Thanks, guys. See you soon. Tell me